Hi guys, so this is your teacher Miss Lim here. So today in this video I want to show you how I derive linear motion equation. Okay, linear motion equation in chapter 2. Okay, so let's dive into it. Okay, now so as we all know that we have four formula for linear motion equation. Four linear motion equations. So actually these four formula are kindly related to each other. So I will show you how I derive these four formula. Okay, and then the first thing is I want to define first the symbol. Okay, so I'll just define two, which is V and U. Okay, what is V? V is final velocity and U is initial velocity. Okay. All right, now, so I'll proceed. Now, so from the definition of acceleration, I believe you still remember the definition of acceleration, right? So the definition of acceleration is acceleration is the rate of change of rate of change of velocity, which is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So my final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Okay, next I'll bring t to the left. I'll get AT is equals to V minus U. Then I'll bring the U to the left side, so it'll become a positive. So I get U plus AT is equals to V. So this is my first. Okay, and then after that I rearrange it. Okay, just rearrange it. V is equal to U plus AT, so this one will become my first equation. See or not? They are the same. V is equal to U plus AT, V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, next one, I'll derive how I get S is equal to 1 over 2U plus V multiplied with T. So you learn in mathematics displacement, right? How do you get displacement? Okay, how do you get displacement? Now, to get a displacement is actually S displacement is the average velocity, okay, multiplied with time. So you have S equals to U plus V over 2 multiplied with time. Then I rearrange it, I'll get 1 over 2U plus V times time. So this is how I get my second linear motion equation. Okay, see they are the same. S equals to 1 over 2U plus V multiplied with T. Okay, next one. I have to derive the third formula, which is the third equation, which is S is equal to UT plus 1 over 2AT squared. How do I get that? Okay, now you see here, from the second equation, I have T there. But then for the first equation also I have T there, so no problem. But then the first equation I do not have S. Okay, I do not have S. But in the third equation itself, this one, S is equal to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared, I do not need V in there. I do not need V in there. So what I can do is I'll use the first equation, I substitute into the second equation. Okay, so what I do is, okay, let me just write here. I substitute 1 into 2. Okay, then I'll get S equals to 1 over 2 U plus, okay, now you see here, I want to substitute V as U plus AT. So I just put U plus AT into my V. Okay, U plus AT multiply with T. Then I get 1 over 2, 2U plus AT multiply with T. Then I expand it. Okay, I expand the T first. Then I'll get 2ut plus AT squared. I expand the T first because it is easier to expand linear than fraction. Okay, now only I expand the fraction. Okay, then I get ut plus 1 over 2 AT squared. Now this is how I get my third equation. Okay, you see here I have 1, 2, 3 already. Okay, now so for the last equation, which is V squared is equal to U squared plus 2S. Now this is a little bit tricky, but then I think it still can be solved. Now let's see what am I going to use. So what I will do here is I will choose this one. S equals to U plus V over 2 multiplied with time. So you see here in the fourth equation, I do not need T. So what I will do is I'll use the first equation. I'll rearrange it. I'll let T as my subject. Okay, I'll let T as my first object lah, huh? Okay, you see here. So from 1, okay, V is equal to U plus AT, V minus U is equal to AT, and then T is equals to U minus V minus U over A. So this is how I get my T. Okay, so I'll just let this one into my fourth formula, fourth equation, and then this one will be my fifth equation. So what I do next is I substitute the fourth equation into the fifth equation. So I'll just write here, substitute 4 into 5. Okay, so I have S equals to U plus V over 2 times T, V minus U over A. Okay, now, so I just expand it. See here, U plus V times V minus U over 2A. Let's rub this off. So this is what I have. Because I just expand it. Then just do the normal mathematics. Okay. I'll get UV minus U square. Next one. This one and this one. I get plus V square minus UV over 2A. So you see here, these two, UV and negative UV, right? I can get rid of both of them. So I'll just cut it out. Okay, then I get V square minus U square over 2A. I rearrange between V and U. So I'll just make this into this. Okay. Then next thing is I'll just bring this 2A to the left side. When I bring it to the left side, it's multiply. I have 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. Then next one, I rearrange it. I bring my U square to the right. It's plus. Then I get U square plus 2AS, and then I get V square. Okay. Then I'll get, so I just rewrite it. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So this is how I get all the 4 formula here. So I'll just refresh it again. What is my 4 formula? First one, V is equal to U plus AT. Next one, S equals to 1 over 2 plus V multiplied with T. And then next one, I'll have S is equals to UT plus 1 over 2 AT square. And last one, I have V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Okay, if let's say you know how to derive these 4 formula, actually it helps. Okay, it helps. Okay, so try to understand it and try to do it together with how I explained this now. So that's all from me in this video. Okay, so see you again next time. Bye.